friends! How are you? Today, I'm going to recommend a really cool website. But first, we have a major announcement and unboxing. That's right, we just got this in from Amazon, and I will show you what I got. Are you ready for this very special unboxing? Here we go. Okay. Here it is. Oh. We've got a brand new baby. This is Babyface, and Babyface is going to help me with my channel. That's right, Babyface is my new partner for this YouTube channel. So everybody, say hello to Babyface. Here he is. Isn't Babyface cute? That's right. Babyface is 4 months old, and today we would like to recommend a really good website for you. It's storylineonline.net, and someone over at Twitter recommended this for us. Thank you. This is, as you can see, books online that you can listen to. And we already listened to The Empty Pot. This is, we can watch it on YouTube. Look at this. This is read by Rami Malek, the actor from Bohemian Rhapsody, very famous guy, and he's reading a children's book. So if you have children, it's great, but it's really good for adults too. The stories are fun and good for your English listening skills. So we listened to The Empty Pot. It's a really nice story. And it's 8 minutes. And it says suggested grade level, 1st and 2nd grade. Pretty easy English, really nice. You can just play it, and it's got illustrations, and Rami is reading it. So it goes from Rami reading to the illustrations in the story, and it's a little bit animated too. Really nice. So there are several stories on here. This says April featured videos, so it looks like there are monthly books on here. Next, I want to read Arnie the Donut. So it looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. I really recommend it. A lot of parents want to read to their kids in English, but they're worried about their pronunciation. I don't think it's such a big problem. I think it's okay if you have a little bit of an accent. But if you're really worried, then online books are the great way to go, and especially these have nice little illustrations. So, check it out. Do you know any good websites for English reading or any good websites for children's English education? If you do, please share in the comments so everybody can check it out and see some new materials. It's always nice to share new stuff and get some new experiences, see new websites, new products, new videos. And that's it for this one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like it. And subscribe so you can watch some more English videos with us. Are you okay? We'll see you next time. Bye!